we're done with the section 1 of the training, and that section 1, which was the basics. Now we're going to the main proper course of this training, which is the section 2. So in today's section 2, we're talking about adding plugin, which is Elementor, because we want to build our website now, and to build our website we need a plugin called Elementor. So we are adding a plugin called what? Plugin Elementor. Now, what's a plugin? Let's talk about what a plugin is. Now, a plugin, like you can see, are software. They are software that software components that can be added to a larger software application to extend its functionality or add specific function. So what this plugin does is to extend functionality of a website. I love the word functionality. You understand? So functionality. So it means if you want your website to behave in a particular, to function in a certain way, you need to add a certain plugin. You understand? You need to add a certain plugin. For example, now we have different kind of plugin. Maybe I want to secure my website. I can add a security plugin, which I will be explaining. That I can add a security plugin. If I want to make my website to function as a store, I can add an e-commerce plugin. An e-commerce plugin. You understand? Which when we get that, we'll explain about that. So these plugins are what helps your website to function, gives your website a capacity to function in a certain way. You understand? So if your for example, now some websites are meant for are stores. So there was a plugin attached to that website that makes it to look like a store. You understand? And some websites are just normal websites. So but the plugin we are going to be using in this class is a plugin we call for building is plugin we called Elementor. So this Elementor you can see here, it's what we are going to be installing, is the plugin we are going to be installing to keep to build our website. So let's dive into the practical aspect. Okay guys, I'm back to my Subtaculous app installer. So I'm looking for it, so let me just look for it and dive into my what's it called, my dashboard. Okay, so I guess I'm here. So let me enter my WordPress. In case in your Subtaculous app installer you've gotten here and you don't really know how to, so the only thing you're just going to do is to come to installations. Go to installations. So when you get to installations, you will see your website and you will see your admin. See, this is where you are going to click on admin. Click on admin and you already okay. Let me go back so you can see what I'm saying. This is the admin. Login as admin. You can see it. You can see it here. Login as admin. So you click on that. Click on it, so it will take you to the back end of the website, which I told you guys about. Yeah, you are already at the back end of the website. So I've explained what plugin is. It's plugin that helps your website to behave in a certain way, to give your website the ability to operate in a certain way. So can you see a plugin now? Can you see the plugins I'm talking about? So you can see it now. So we want to add Elementor. Don't forget guys, we want to add the Elementor. So all you are going to do is to click on it, click on the plugin. So when you click on it, it will bring out two options. I don't see if you can see it. Bring out two options: install plugins and add new plugins. But meanwhile, the install plugins are the plugins that were already on the website before. You understand? While add new plugins are the plugins you are just about to add, which are not really there before. So but what we are going to do is we are going to add new plugins because Elementor was not there before. So let's add new plugins. Let's click on add new plugins. Add new. So when we add new plugins, so you can see these are all plugins. These are all plugins. So but meanwhile we need to search for Elementor. So we just click search for Elementor. So it's loading. So you can see now Elementor Elementor website builder. Elementor website builder. So you can just actually, so all you're going to do is to now come ahead and click on install now. So when you install, just click on it. So it's installing. It might take a little time, so you just have to wait. It's still installing. Okay, installed now. So you can see it's installed, and the next thing it's talking about is activate. So you just activate it. So you click on activate, click on it. So because it's already installed but not yet activated, so you just activate it. So looking at it now, please, what you're going to do, let's take this stuff to a desktop mode so that we'll be able to do it well. So all you're going to do is to click on this three dots button. Sorry for that, excuse me. Click on this three dots button. So you click on it. So you scroll down. So you can see here, you see desktop size. Can you see it here? You see it here. Desktop size. So you click on that place, click on it. So when you click on it, you can see it change to a desktop mode. Okay, all right. So in this sense, you can see what we installed. Elementor we installed is already here. So it's already installed to our website, and when you come by the side, you will see Elementor. Can you see it here? You see Elementor. Can you see it here? You can see it here. That's Elementor. So it means our Elementor is now in our back end of the website. Can you see plugins or plugins? So these are this. So it's now at the back end of our website. So that's about that. So this module 1 is just of the section 2 is just installing Elementor, adding a plugin called Elementor. So see you in the next module.